Home Remedies presents
Oats turn into poison if you do this. Did you know that common preparation mistakes could turn your daily bowl of oatmeal into a health risk? This video will guide you on how to avoid these pitfalls and share a healthy oatmeal recipe that can strengthen your immune system, protect your heart, clean your blood vessels, and improve your gut health. Oats are one of the nature's most powerful superfoods, offering amazing benefits when consumed correctly. Here's why oats are exceptional. Cholesterol control. Oats contain beta glucan, a special fiber that helps reduce total cholesterol levels, protecting your heart and keeping your blood vessels healthy. Blood sugar regulation. Beta glucan also acts like a time release capsule for sugar, providing steady, consistent energy without sudden spikes. Gut health. Oats contain both insoluble and soluble fibers that prevent constipation and feed good bacteria, enhancing nutrient absorption and boosting your immune system. Immune boost. Beta glucan activates immune cells called macrophages, improving your body's resistance to infections. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. However, many people unknowingly make mistakes that negate these benefits and could even harm their health. Let's uncover these critical errors. Number 1. Eating raw oats without soaking. Raw oats contain phytic acid, which hinders mineral absorption. Always soak oats for at least 8 hours to reduce phytic acid and unlock nutrients. Number 2. Using non-organic oats. Conventional oats often have pesticide residues. Choose organic oats to avoid harmful chemicals. Number 3. Adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. These additives can cause blood sugar spikes and harm gut bacteria. Use natural sweeteners like banana or apples instead. Number 4. Overeating oats. Consuming large amounts can cause digestive issues. Start with half a cup of dry oats and adjust as needed. Number 5. Improper storage. Oats can go rancid if exposed to heat, light, and air. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Number 6. Combining with hard to digest foods. Mixing oats with whole milk, cheese, or fatty foods can slow down digestion. Pair oats with fruits, seeds, and nuts. Number 7. Inadequate hydration. Fiber rich oats need plenty of water to function properly. Drink enough water throughout the day to avoid constipation. Medicinal oatmeal recipe: half cup organic whole oats, 1.5 cup plant based milk, almond, coconut, or oat milk, 1 tablespoon chia or flax seeds rich in omega 3, 1 teaspoon cinnamon rich in antioxidants, 1 teaspoon honey, optional for natural sweetness, quarter teaspoon turmeric, anti-inflammatory, slice of fresh ginger or half teaspoon powdered ginger, aids digestion, 1 teaspoon raw cacao powder, optional for extra antioxidants, 1 tablespoon chopped almonds or walnuts, half teaspoon cardamom powder, optional, aids digestion. Preparation: combine oats and plant-based milk in a small pot. Cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add chia or flax seeds, cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, cacao, and cardamom. Mix well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, adjusting consistency with more liquid if needed. Remove from heat, add nuts, stir, and sweeten with honey if desired. This medicinal oatmeal consumed regularly can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and boost your immune system.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.